often do you get to say you went out to LA, stayed at the Ritz-Carlton, and actually took a master class from Sloane Stephens?
So it was a dream come true to be here and be able to hit some balls with her.
Yeah! Meeting people who love what they do and love playing tennis is super cool, so I always enjoy doing that. Wow! All right! I think the members get a lot out of things like this. These people obviously wanted to meet me, so this is literally the only way to get access to me to do something like this.
That's a moment that I'll remember the rest of my life.